angle climb, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport near suspected enemy presence. With a departure climb angle of just over 25 degrees, nose up, the aircraft will reach over 1,500 feet before crossing the departure end of the runway. In the wave as he goes by. The pilots for today's demonstration are Major Chris Schroeder, Captain Aaron Darwin, and Major Tyler Olmstead. The Globemasters are Master Sergeant Joel Classic and Staff Sergeant Randall Moss. This crew has a combined total of over 17,000 flying hours in various aircraft, including the C-17 Globemaster, the C-141 Starlifter, the T-37 Tweed, the T-6 Texan, and the T-1 Jayhawk. And the unmatched any transport airplane in the world. A modern computerized glass cockpit, heads-up display at both pilot stations, an advanced cargo handling system, allowing them to operate with a crew half the size of current aircraft. Only three crew members are required to fly a C-17. The aircraft's advanced design allows it to accomplish its entire mission with a minimum crew. Notice how quiet the C-17 is while passing show center. This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory, and is also environmentally friendly. Capability. The landing gear struts are extremely heavy duty, allowing them to absorb the beam of undercooled fuel they can dish out. Notice that the nose gear and main gear are close together, giving the aircraft exceptional maneuverability on the ground and the ability to turn around on a 90-foot wide runway. Provides a direct delivery capability that combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy with the short runway capability of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. It can routinely land on runways only 30,500 feet long. The C-17 is powered by four Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines. These are the same engines used on the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo. The range of the C-17 is the amount of cargo, with this amount of cargo, is over 2,400 miles. However, the C-17 can reach anywhere in the world non-stop using its air refueling capability. the aircraft passes. Please notice the wing leading edge slats and large powerful lift wing flaps. These devices literally change the shape of the C-17 wing and are the key to a slow final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop on short distances. Performing a go-around maneuver using maximum power to demonstrate its ability in a part of an airport where enemy resistance is suspected. The heads-up displays, or HUDs, the pilots use a quantum leap forward in aircraft cockpit design. All the information needed to fly the aircraft is displayed on two glass plates in front of the pilot's eyes. This allows the pilots to fly in any weather condition without looking inside the aircraft. This increases our ability to see other aircraft. It improves our ability to land in marginal weather conditions because the pilots are looking outside the aircraft. The C-17 is now maneuvering to show its ability to fly at slow speeds and demonstrate its advanced aerodynamics in action. The aircraft is performing a series of steep bank turns to maneuver for a low-speed pass and circle over the airfield. And taxiing in front of you, that's a real Russian MiG-17. In case you're wondering how big this aircraft is, the wingspan, tip to tip, is about half the length of a football field. The tail is over 5 stories tall. Empty, the C-17 weighs almost 280,000 pounds, but with maximum cargo and fuel loaded, that gross weight rises to over 500,000 pounds. Notice the upturned wingtips or winglets. This increases fuel economy. To give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, those winglets are over 9 feet tall. This aircraft is extremely agile at both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation, including the combat delivery capability of paratrooper or heavy equipment airdrop. The C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from both control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls of each other. If there's any problem, they will automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup. In mind, so it takes less time and people to keep it flying. It can raise one set of its landing gear for tire changes using its onboard struts and the remaining landing gear. This eliminates the need for any additional equipment during tire changes. In addition, the major systems are located at eye level and have easy open panels, making them very easy to work on. The multiple backup systems also increases overall aircraft reliability rates. maneuvering to demonstrate a full flap approach to simulated short field runway. This short field capability allows the C-17 Globemaster III to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to the C-5 Galaxy of commercial wide-body aircraft. In fact, the C-17 has made short-field landings in Bosnia, Albania, Iraq, Afghanistan, Haiti, El Salvador, and many other countries while boasting an impressive reliability rate. The C-17 you see today weighs almost 340,000 pounds. On final, its speed is approximately 120 miles per hour. Approaching the end of the runway, the crew is simulating their arrival to an airfield with hostile forces nearby. This approach tactic can also be used from very high altitude to avoid enemy fire. The C-17 made its inaugural flight in September of 1991. Since then, the C-17 has set over 20 world records, including payload to altitude and time and climb records. Boeing delivered the first operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1993. Now the crew will demonstrate a very short landing distance of the C-17 using over 1,500 feet. Is demonstrating the capability limited to a very few aircraft, the ability to routinely back up under its own power. Ground maneuverability is extremely important when space is limited to off-road operations on a day-to-day basis. Maneuvers you've seen here today are representative of those flown by our operational air crews every day as they provide the highly responsive and flexible airlift capability for America. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration of the C-17 Globemaster III and just some of its unique capabilities. On behalf of the men and women of the United States Air Force Air Mobility Command, we thank you for being with us today, and we hope you enjoyed this brief look at the C-17 Globemaster III, the United States Air Force's core airlifter and workhorse, providing rapid global mobility for America today, tomorrow, and on into the 21st century.